Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you today. Let me introduce you the Western Digital. In this case, it's a 250GB version. Of course, you can choose the 500GB or 1TB or 2TB version too. Oh, the WD Blue SN550 NVMe internal SSD. So, what? That's awesome because it is so fast and it's bootable. Wow. This is the internal SSD 3rd generation 4x PCI Express slot portable. It's compatible with your motherboard. For example, in this case, I'm attaching it or install it on a motherboard of a Dell laptop. And it will gain the experience and gain the fast boot and the fast transfer of data. It connects to an M.2 2280 slot, 3D NAND, up to 2400 megabit per second. That's really fast. WDS 250 G2BOC. Yeah. What is NVMe Express? This is a non-volatile memory host controller interface specification. It is an open logical device interface specification for accessing non-volatile storage media attached via PCI Express. This is PCIe bus. The acronym NVMe stands for non-volatile memory, which is often NAND flash memory that comes in several physical form factors, including solid-state drives, like here, PCI Express add-in cards, M.2 cards, and other forms. So, what you can choose is you will have the bus information which make this SSD bootable. If you have a standard SSD, like here, you can only use it as memory to store data, to transfer data. And of course, if you have an HDD or another NVMe Express card built in, you can also boot with BIOS on it and with operation system too. But if you're using it alone, then you can only boot able device using like this NVMe Express card. It is important to gain your speed and make it bootable. NVMe Express as a logical device interface has been designed to capitalize on the low latency and internal parallelism of solid-state storage devices. The architecturally, the logic of NVMe is physically stored within and executed by the NVMe controller chip that is physically co-located with the storage media, commonly these days an SSD. And this makes us so much boosting. This will boost our system performance with the next gen NVMe SSDs over 4 times faster than the SATA SSDs. You have to choose. You can choose two forms. A SATA SSD, this is for storage. And this is an NVMe SSD. This is for operation system and storage. The Western Digital Design Controller and firmware for optimized performance. The Western Digital SSD dashboard constantly monitors the health of our SSD. An NVMe drive not compatible with the SATA interface. But in case of my computer, it is both. The M.2 2280 bus is for the standard SATA interface and the new NVMe SSD. It's compatible. So you have to check before you install this. Have your PCI Express slot in this motherboard. The right storage for our next person computer NVMe goes mainstream with a powerful, cost-effective storage solution that adds to the reliability of an SSD. Scalable NVMe hardware and accelerated architecture enable both the high performance and the low power consumption that makes out at only 3.9 watt. This is awesome. And it will boost our performance to a new level. Gate breakneck sequential read speeds up to 2600 megabit per second to improve our productivity no matter what we are going to create. And continuing the legacy. Thousands of hours of hardware, firmware, and validating testing combined to advance the award-winning Western Digital Blue heritage of quality and reliability. We can upgrade our SSD, or we can upgrade our computer by installing this Western Digital Blue SN550 NVMe SSD. Available up to 2 TB, PCI Express Generation 3, 4 times. The slot is M.2 2280, and it will go up to sequential reading up to 2600 megabyte per second. That's awesome. The writing is 1800 megabyte per second. Wow, TBW is up to 900. And this is really easy. Open your case. Have a look that you have an M.2 2280 slot. And then you can install it. For example, in my case, this is a standalone SSD after I'm finished that work. And I can install Windows on it. And after this, I have a really fast computer, a really fast boot process, and a really fast operation system. That's possible with Western Digital 250 GB, for example, Blue SN55 and NVMe internal SSD. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.